welcome to this week's vlog. I'm so excited to see him. I haven't seen him in a couple days and I look terrible. And I look homeless too. Like, I'm dressed in pajamas. Hi, it's okay, don't kill me. Getting my boots out. I cannot stand, like, walking in the arena with my boots. I mean, my shoes. What the heck am I talking about? Anyways, I'm really excited to see him. We can get him out. And I look homeless. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come see your mom. Come see your mom. Come here. Come there. Come on. It's more fun with me. We're not gonna ride. We're just gonna brush and have a little fun. And I think a mile. Give you a treat. What you doing, mister? Having a good day? You do pretty steps? Pretty steps. Pretty steps. Very nice, mister. There's no way I'm redoing all these braids. So they're just gonna come out. Nonsense. I got like half of them out. Half of his braids that you can't tell, but it is. Yeah, see, like half of it. I still got more to do, of course. Well, and then I got these, and they keep snapping on me. It's your cute little hair.
One eternity later.
You smiling, mister? You smiling? Would you like a treat? Would you like a treat, mister? Oops, I just kicked the ring. I said good night. So we got a big storm coming, huh? Yeah. Not really, but I'll see you later, huh? Yeah. Well, welcome to this week's vlog. It is negative to show for you here. I think it's like 7 degrees up. Didn't make it to work, as you can tell. Can't even see. Oh yeah. Wow. It's actually negative 16 out. I have to call off because there's no way that I'm gonna make it in. How am I logged in right now? I don't even. De Niro, like, calm down, bro. Listen, it doesn't even have like weather as an option to call off in. I'm going for the COVID-19 vaccine, but not for weather. Where is the weather option? We live in Ohio. For Lord's sake. I'm just gonna say natural disaster. So it's -6, feels like -34, and my apartment is warm for sure. But I really hope the power doesn't go out because there's no way that like even an hour with no heat, like that it's gonna stay warm in here. So that's great for us. And I want to open the door to show you guys, but I don't want to risk any of my heat escaping at the moment. This is what it looks like out there. You really can't tell on camera like how bad it is because of the like things like that. Yeah. So it's fun. Barn after that storm. And, I hung it up. His block he got for Christmas. That's his present, and he wants treats. And then you're gonna get your blankie back on. I just walked him, like got on him and walked him for like 20 minutes because he hasn't been doing anything. And I'm gonna put his hawk wraps on to help with his arthritis since he hasn't been moving around a lot and it's been like in the negatives and singles. It's rising now, it's like 25 degrees. Yeah, me cold. Freezing.
Now you biting? Now you do?
Alright, I put his blanket and his wraps on. You can't see him really well, but he's all tucked in.